Just setting up for tonight's little jump. That car doesn't look too bad, does it? Quite modern, quite tidy, drives well, but it's not so good up close, is it? There's definitely a dent in that, Connor. It didn't drive when we picked it up though. Now it does. Do you want to jump this one? Might not be the best, mightn't it? Your head's a bit touchy, isn't it? Okay, line them up, let's use that as a target. It's a chicken house over there, but watch out for Toby because he's sat by it. That's holding together well. Yeah, I think you're better off dragging it.
Yeah.
So you join us in time for today's crash. After every blind auto test, we do a bit of a setup of a crash, but this time we're doing something with a bit of difference. This time he's going to jump into it at quite an alarming rate of knots, so let's see what happens. As long as he doesn't hit a count, we're all good. There he goes. He's not backing off. Oh, he cleared that. Oh my God, that was a bit of a steeper crash than perhaps he was thinking he was going to get. You're right, Connor. That was a bit quicker than we thought you were going to go. Is he asleep? You awake? That was a lot further than we thought it was going to fly. Oh, it stinks, that airbag.
Hey, babes. Hi. You're right, Connor. Oh.
I don't think it's going to survive to do a roll after that. How's your head?
It's still running.
I know, but you flew over the lot. We thought you were going to land on the side of the Fiat, of the Volkswagen. Right, stay in there. We'll push you over. Let's see what happens. Push him back over then. Took Ken. Oh no! It landed right on. I never, Jake. I'll get you another camera. I never thought it was going to land dead where your camera was. Jake's camera was just there. Oh dear. Ken got it. Go on. It might go again. Connor, that was very impressive. Well, we've never seen a car go over that ramp before, apart from a roll. That flew. I think we should have thought about a neck brace. You landed right on his camera.
Oh no, he's broke the key. Where's the immobiliser on?
Oh no.
There's a green chip in there somewhere.
Your phone stayed in. What about Ken? How's Ken? Where's your camera? I think your camera's wedged in the front of that car. It landed right on it.
I found the 2B you lost.
Oh, well done. His camera's here somewhere. It might have survived. I did say hit it at 30. Where's his camera gone? Poor old Jake, he got that for his present and it landed. Look, you couldn't have had it land anymore on your... That's good. Right, we've got to find his camera. It's probably underneath there. We'll move it back. Ken got it right in the face, didn't you, Ken? Sorry about that, mate. You've had a really bad week, you have. Yeah, I think your camera might be buried. Time Team will get that in about 2099.
What did it look like?
Look like a GoPro. Took it clean off. Okay, reverse it back a bit, Tom. Let's see if the camera's stuck in the front of the car. Somewhere's a GoPro. We'll find it. We'll get the metal detector out if we have to. I reckon it's in there, Jake. Might have to get a shovel. You can have my GoPro. We'll find yours, but we just see. I predicted that it was going to land. It's going to land here, just here. I thought we'd have a great shot, so I said, Jake, put your camera on top of the car. But it cleared this by a clear couple of feet, and it landed on the roof, which was quite good. And he nearly got away with it until it then nosedived into the ground. Has Ken got it? Well, I've never had it where we've not found a GoPro. I mean, it's vaporised it, hasn't it?
It hit the plastic, like dead on straight.
Yeah. Well, maybe it's shot. Hey, think further away. Maybe it's pushed it a long way away. This has been a great little car. This has been a great little car, and it's still going. There's 50p on the seat, but don't tell him. Oh, that's great. We're tracking Kieran, is that right?
Oh, I think it went over here.
What, camera?
Yeah, I can see something shoot off this way.
No, there's a lot of stuff. Yeah, I mean, it could have gone anyway. Look, for long distances. I've never thought about putting a homing device on a GoPro. I've done a few car things where we've nearly smashed up GoPros, but never actually... Well, think about it. It was there. It hit it. I reckon it shot it off that way somewhere. Well, we'll have to dig this up, won't we? It must be in there. I think it buried it. Sorry, Jake. Is all your footage from the racing at the weekend on it?
No.
Oh, thank God for that. No, from M&M, wherever it is.
Didn't film any of that.
Oh, that's all right then. It might be wedged in the car, you know. I think it's in that front grille.
It's got to be there, isn't it?
Well, you'd think it'd be in there. It's got to be well in there. It's like when an aeroplane crashed. Hey!
Oh, what's that?
You're shitting me. Not a scratch, Jake, apart from your little brackets broken. That is the luckiest camera known to man. My God, and that was right there. Literally right there. The point of impact. Well, there you go. That's a lucky camera. I'll get you another bracket. Okay, do it again. This time, hit the first car. Great. Let's put it back. I told Connor to go about 20 miles an hour this time, because obviously 30 was a bit quick. The car's a bit of a troublesome thing to keep in a straight line, but he's doing well. Oh, he killed my phone this time. Well done, sir. That's this car is a new shape now. It's kind of a pyramid. Your wheels aren't on the floor. That's great. Come and have a look. That's well in there. That car's bent beautifully. I bet it looks good from the front. Poor old Ken's over again. Well done, Connor. That's great.
I reckon if we get it off, it'll still drive. You can park it on top.
Oh, Mary, there's lots of good. Look at that. That was just the speed we should have gone the first time. Yeah, that was good, wasn't it? That was just right.
I still reckon we should get a third one out of it.
And land it on the top and squish it down.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Oh, absolute beauty.
And you weren't even videoing it.
I'm videoing it.
Well done.
We ready? Hey, it drives. Damn thing drives still. I can't get the... It's fairly well stoved in, but it does drive. It still drives well. And it's still got half a tank of fuel, so we're doing good. I'll go and park this next to the other one. Oh, wipers aren't working very well. Oh, come on, get round. Oh, it stinks, that airbag.
Hey, babe. Hi.
You're right, Connor.
Oh, I don't think it's going to survive to do a roll after that. Hey!
Get one of them packs, fucking turn them on without a clamp on and then hold the button. At least he's got a car big enough for his head now.